Have you ever deactivated your Twitter? It's normal. Let's find out how to bring it back. First, know that Twitter holds your data for 30 days after deactivation. After that, it's gone. Ready to reactivate? Grab your login details. You'll need your username or email and your password. Go to twitter.com and enter your username or email, along with your password. Click Login. Upon logging in, you'll see a prompt about reactivating your account. Just follow the simple instructions. Congratulations! Your account is back. Now you can tweet, retweet, and engage with your followers again. Now that you're back, consider updating your profile information. Keep it fresh and engaging. Reconnect with your followers. A quick tweet stating you're back can help re-engage your audience. Share new content and updates. Let your followers know what they missed while you were gone. Engage with trending topics. This will increase visibility and interactions with your tweets. Keep calm and tweet on. Building your Twitter presence takes time, so enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. Keep tweeting and stay connected.